Always get 3 estimates.
Safe and Trusted Canada advises that you should always get 3 estimates before you start any renovation or projects for your home or business. This includes roofing and other exterior projects to major renovations to the interior of your home. Consumers need to be aware that some contractors avoid showing up to do a proper analysis or may even ask you, what did this other contractor bid? They promise to beat the price by 10% or not charge the taxes in return for a cash deposit or payment. Avoid those contractors. Look for the contractor that comes with all their credentials and references with them. Pick 3 and compare price, product, and warranty. Check with Better Business Bureau on each contractor. Do they have other affiliations? Do they work with contracts? Look for years in business and local history.
Protect your interest as a consumer.